Cybersecurity is no longer just the responsibility of IT departments. It's essential knowledge for everyone in today's digital world. Whether you're a student or just starting your career, understanding the basics can help protect you and those around you. Let's start with a simple definition. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. These attacks are often aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money, or disrupting operations. There are many types of cyber threats, but the most common include malware, phishing, ransomware, and social engineering. Malware is malicious software, like viruses or spyware, that can damage or steal data. Phishing uses fake emails or websites to trick you into revealing personal information. Ransomware locks your files until you pay a ransom. And social engineering relies on human error, like tricking someone into giving up a password. One of the most important things you can do is create strong passwords. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and never reuse the same password across different sites. Better yet, use a password manager to keep them all safe. Another essential tip is to keep your software up to date. Updates often include security patches that protect you from newly discovered threats. The longer you wait, the more vulnerable you become. Be cautious with links and attachments in emails. If something feels off, don't click. Always verify the source, especially if the email asks you to take urgent action or provide sensitive information. Using public Wi-Fi? Be careful. Avoid accessing personal accounts or sensitive data unless you're connected through a secure VPN. Also, enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. It adds an extra layer of security, requiring both your password and a second step, like a code sent to your phone, to access your accounts. Cybersecurity isn't just about protecting yourself. If you're part of a school or organization, your actions can impact the entire network. One weak link can be all it takes for an attacker to get in. Remember, cyber threats evolve every day. Stay curious, stay informed, and take small steps consistently to build your digital defenses. This is just the beginning, but mastering these basics puts you ahead of the curve. You don't have to be an expert to make a difference. Just being aware and cautious can go a long way.